Welcome to my channel. My name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna show you some 4 cuts that I can't live without. And if you watch this video to the end, I have a 5th tip just for you. So you're looking to learn some cuts and some filmmaking stuff, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new tutorial for you. Clients and people like to see a very nice video, and cuts of course are everything to bring the story together. So today I'm gonna share with you 4 cuts that I can't live without. First is the L cut. L cuts because the audio is gonna guide us to the next scene. It's something that's very popular and very common, but you don't even notice because it's just so like smooth and nice. And that is one thing that I use every single vlog, every single video, and just make a transition very smooth, and it's just so good. The next one is the J cut. It's the same thing as the L, but it's the opposite. What I mean is the audio of the next scene is gonna come first, and then we're gonna be introduced to the next place or the next scene or the next location. That's very nice, very important, and if you just use that, I promise you, your video is not gonna be boring. I love to shoot and edit dance videos, music videos, and all this cool stuff. So cutting on the action, it's super important, especially if I want to mask or blend some mistakes that the dancers or the actor did. Doesn't matter what's the action, but if you cut right in the action when the things are happening, it's gonna hide and it's gonna be perfect. This way you're able to change the angle and hide some mistakes. And the cut number 4 that I use all the time, and you can use as well, is the jump cut, because not everything that's happening in the scene people needs to know. If your character is going to get a coffee, we don't need to see every single thing, every single process that he do. So you're gonna cut and make that process shorter. Doesn't make sense? That's the jump cut. And because you watch this video to the end, I'm gonna give you one last tip, okay? But don't tell no one, because this is what makes my work super different from the other ones. As a freelance filmmaker, I love to edit on a beat. Makes me like utilize what I have, not just the visual, but the sound, and everything comes together. So as we watch, we will see the cut and we will hear the cut at the same time. Let's say in a music video or in a dance video or whatever you have, try to use the music to give you the timing that you need to do some cuts, because that it's super helpful. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something today. Leave a comment down below if you have any question or anything that you need help. If you would like to keep learning, improving, and bring your editing skills to the next level, I have Final Cut Pro tutorials just for you, and I have a couple other videos here as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.